Welcome back. The High Court has directed Goa government to file its reply in disputed senior scale seniority list. Petitioner officer Elvis Gomes in his petition has contended that scale of some officers were changed even after the list was finalized on 19 August this year. The High Court has directed state government to file reply on Thursday. During the hearing before the High Court on Monday, counsel of petitioner officer Elvis Gomes contended that Goa government had wrongfully amended the seniority list of senior scale officers. The petitioner also contended that on 19 August 2014, seniority list of senior scale officers was finalized, in which two officers, Arun Desai and Sandeep Jekis, were below him. But after finalization of the list, both Arun Desai and Sandeep Jekis made oral representation before then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and the list was amended. In the amended list, Arun Desai and Sandeep Jekis were placed above the petitioner Elvis Gomes. Now the High Court has asked the state government to explain how Arun Desai and Sandeep Jekis were allowed to make representation after finalization of the seniority list. The court has also asked the government to reply on how the seniority list was amended without giving any chance to other parties to make representation. The High Court has now directed the state government to file its reply on Thursday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Strengthen your faith and live in unity. This was the call at the annual traditional procession of Mother Mary at Naveli. Our Lady of Rosary was honoured and brought to Naveli Church early morning on Monday. Faithfuls participated in the procession.
प्रीतीच्या बाबा तुमचो बाबा तीर करात. तुमचो बाबा तीर करत ना जाल्यार जशे परी पावस पडटा, जशे परी वादळ मारता आनी एका झाडाचो हांदो मोडटा, त्या मोडलेल्या सांद्या भाशेन जायनाकात. दुसरो लोक रावता तुका गिरासोंक, दुसरो लोक रावता तांच्या चौक्यान तुका दवरून व्हरोंक. अशें घडना जावंक बाबा तीर करात.
Kurchade police seized 570 kg meat in Kurchade market. One Mehboob Ali and Dastagir Chaudhary were arrested and released on bond of 2,000 rupees. Assistant veterinarian Kalidas Desai said the meat was unfit for consumption.
आमकां लेटर मेळ्ळें फ्रॉम PI कुर्चडेम की अशें मास धरला जे इलिगल आनी आमच्या साहेबान इंस्पेक्शन करून रिपोर्ट दिला की द कन्सर्न मीट इज अनफिट फॉर कंजप्शन एज फूड एंड सो अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोसिजर वी आर गोइंग फॉर डिस्पोजल.
कसली मास
इट इज नॉट कन्फर्म्ड बट इट इज beef meat in the category of beef.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.